Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make iced latte. So, ayan. Dapat dry yung cold filter natin. So, punasan natin siya. Ayan. Tapos, ilagay natin siya sa weigh scale. Tapos, i-tear. Tapos, lagyan ng ground beans. Iced latte is ready. Ang dali, diba? Enjoy your coffee, guys!